Okay, Nathan has a big fish on. I just got this pretty big mangrove snook. First barracuda I ever caught. Little guy, but yeah, big old drum. Big black drum. Okay guys, we're fishing here. We got really early in the morning, I think it's 7. And we got this nice little grunt on some dead shrimp. We're gonna get the hook out really quick. So alright. Well, we just got this pretty big mangrove snapper, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna weigh him or measure him or something in a minute. But using an octopus circle hook and a chunk of mullet out in the middle. That's our first good game fish of the day, I guess. And see how long. He is a keeper size, but we're just gonna let him go. He's 13. He's 14. So he's a 14-incher. Okay, whatever. He doesn't need to be weighed. He's about a pounder, pound and a half. Definitely a good size. Snap. Let this guy go. Okay. I like biting. Look, his mouth is going like crazy. There he goes. And he went under there. He's right there. Alright. Alright. Well, Nathan just got this big old drum. I mean, he's big. Black drum. And we're, yeah, go ahead and get him unhooked. On dead shrimp, right?
Yeah.
A whole one?
Yes.
Wow. He doesn't have teeth, so you don't need to be scared of him.
There you go.
Got it.
This monster go.
That's a big drum too. Come on. Oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, Nathan has a big fish on. Here, I'm gonna go over and look for him. What is it? It's a jack? Oh, it's a jack. Oh, that's a big jack. Jack, yeah. Oh, there's a jack following him too. Here, pull him up. Like, yeah.
I never caught a jack before.
Really?
Yeah, it's my first one.
Yeah, they get
You would like that tail.
Yeah, they fight.
I told you should have caught more. He's smiling.
Okay.
Does he have teeth?
He completely gobbled that thing. But yeah, he does have teeth.
Are these good bait?
Alright, here's the release on this pretty big jack on cut mullet. Nice fish. I'm gonna go ahead and put him in the water.
Yep.
There he goes. Okay, it's videoing. Here, hold it. Okay. Okay, we got this big fish on this little tiny rod on a cut piece of mullet. We're just pulling around and we hooked in something a little over our heads. And we're doubled up because he has a catfish right there. But I don't think this, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this rod. Oh, it's a catfish maybe? Oh my gosh, it's a big catfish. Here, I'm gonna need my grippers because I can't flip him with this rod.
You want to hold it?
Grippers, do this really quick. I just swung on my gut. Okay. And the bigger one goes on the smaller rod. Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. But yeah, we'll get him unhooked and turn the camera back on. Alright, well I'm letting mine go. He's a pretty good 13-inch catfish, but unfortunately a catfish to begin with. But big fish though. On a live cut mullet on the tiny rod. Whenever he's ready. There he goes. Okay, Nathan's got another good one.
That's not a catfish.
Yeah, I know it's not. He's moving a lot more than catfish does, and he's surfaced once. He might be a game fish. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, it is a catfish.
No way.
It's a monstrous catfish.
You kidding me? You kidding me?
How did it surface, dude? Dude, that stinks.
Oh. That stinks. Place the hook out.
Yeah. Oh well. Okay, well we just got this mangrove snapper and the tide is rising right now, so the fish are coming in. And I saw a mangrove snapper on, what was that, like, bait? What kind of bait?
It's mullet, cut up mullet.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Cut up mullet. His teeth are... Okay. What do you have? Oh, big ladyfish. Wow. Nice. Nice. Are you gonna shake the hook? There he goes.
Well,
okay guys, I've just caught this pretty big barracuda and it was on a Johnson spoon. I'm gonna get the hook out and get him back in the water. First barracuda I've ever caught. Little guy, but pretty good fighter. Here, you can turn it off and I'll get back at the release. Yeah. Alright, we just got the hook out of this guy pretty easily and we're gonna let him go. Maybe about 14, 15 inches, so cool fish. On a spoon, he hit it right next to shore. Whenever he's ready. You ready to go, buddy? Okay. He's going. Sort of. There he goes. Oh, okay. There we go. That was a nice snook on a Johnson spoon. Just working it right up him some mangroves, and we were catching a lot of fish. Just caught a barracuda a few minutes ago, and get this guy on hook. Let's get a picture of this guy and get back with the release. Alright, just got a video, a picture, and we're gonna let this guy go. Alright, Nathan's got one. Ladyfish. Oh! Spoon. Ladyfish almost always get away, so we'll get back to you. Alright, I just got this nice bluefish on a Zara Spook. He hit it right there, jumped out of the water to grab it. And those guys are just full teeth. So Nathan's gonna get me the pliers and we'll get the hook out. But that's what it's going for. Okay, just got this pretty nice bluefish and we're gonna unhook it really quick. Can I see the pliers?
Do you know how to look at the camera?
Got it out. Look at those teeth. These are the bluefish we were talking about.